You already know, in fact. So because we've done some verbal nouns. So some of them you already know, like this one, chlich, chlich. So basically the past tense form is different from the root form by only one letter. And this is the H after the first letter. If you can put the H after the first letter. So chlich means play. And chlich means played. Okay, so chlich is a command form and chlich is past tense. These are regular verbs. All of these verbs are actually regular. There are some irregular verbs too, but we are not doing them today. Okay, so the irregular verbs have different past tense. But regular verbs, this is the general rule. So add H after the first letter if you can, and you will get past tense. Okay, so chlich, chlich.
What's the significance of the exclamation mark? Is it like
just to show that it's a command form?
Okay.
Yeah. Well, basically. Okay. So next one is a bit different because it starts with an F, and when you add H to F, it becomes silent. Therefore, we treat it as a vowel. Okay, so fag, gag. Okay, fag means leave, and gag means left. Okay, so fag, leave it. Gag, fag, gag. And because the vowel is actually A, it is G. Okay, furig, gurig. So the same idea with furig as with fag. Because it's an F, we add H to it, it becomes silent. So the first letter is U. So furig, gurig. So same DH is G in this case, and it means stay or wait. Okay, so stay or wait, and stayed or waited. Okay, very common. This verb is very, very common. So you should remember it. Okay, so next one is Foskal. Same idea with this one. Starts with F again. So add H, it becomes silent. So O is the first letter here. So it's G. Foskal, Goskal. Goskal. Okay, and it means open. Open, opened. Okay. So, ich, we already had this verb last time, I think. We had this verb before. So ich means eat. But here, so is a vowel. So we need this DH before it, but it's an I, so it's yich. Okay, so this is y. Remember, if it's broad, then it's g, and if it's slender, as in this case, it's y. So yich, yich. So eat, ate. The next one, of course, is all. All. And this one is broad in this case, so gol. Gol. And it's a drink, drank. Right, and the next one is aged. We already had this as well. So engaged, cure, aged means listen. So this one is so slender. This one is y. So aged, 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 aged. So listen, listened. So next one is a normal one. Starts with the consonant gav, gav, gav. So it's a slightly different. And you might not be able to, to do the difference, to pronounce the difference. So gav, gav. So it's basically take, took, gav, gav. Okay, and the next one starts with G again. Glan, 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 glan. So means clean or cleaned. All these verbs are very common. Mats and Natalie should already know them, well, some of them, most of them, I'd say, because they were in the first 6 units. Okay, but not all of them. Okay, chess, hes. So we add the H to S and it becomes H. So chess, hes. It means stand or stood. Okay. Right. Next one is sui. Sui. Hui. Starts with S again, so same idea here. Sui, hui. And it means sit or sat. Okay. So next one is talk and hawk. So same idea here as well. Hawk and answers. Huh? So talk, hawk. And it means lift, lifted, or build, built. Okay, talk, hawk. Right, next one is kuchich. Kuchich and huchich. So this is as in loch. Kuchich means help, and huchich means helped. So very, very useful one, you know. If you fall into the water in Lewis, you have to shout, Kuchich! Somebody will come and rescue you. Kuchich, kuchich. Okay, so next one we also had, so it's one familiar one. Dance, gowns, dance, gowns. So this is a G, as usual. Dance, gowns, dance, danced. And next one is re, and no difference here. You can't do anything with an R. So you can't add H to it. So re is the same. So it means both run as in run and then run. So okay, past tense. Shane, we already had this one too. Shane, these are two favorite. Willie likes them a lot. Downs and Shane. So Shane, Hane, sing and sang. And sang. And the left one is good. Good or good. Is put and put past tense. So put something on. Purost. Purost ochota. Ga je voor.